Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed those videos of those races. It was kind of a waste of time. I traveled an hour and somewhat minutes to race some guys in another city, and I ended up racing all the guys that I went with. So, super waste of time. Never making that trip again. But the car's been running a little funky. It's been pretty rich lately. And check this out. About ready to run as a open header. I don't know if you guys can really see that. Let me try to get another light. Let's see. That V-band, or I'm sorry, that clamp is broken. So I did order a new one. I'm pretty sure I got tuned like that on my more crazier tune, but it's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the clamp. The car should run just fine. Even though I most likely got tuned with that exhaust leak, it should be all right. But I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. I need to prep this car for in 2 weeks. We have a possibly $100 buy-in dig racing, so I need to look over this car and get it ready for that. But today is September 19th. So you guys probably won't see this until October or something, but like, subscribe, share the video. I hope you guys like all the content that's been getting uploaded, and a lot more to come on the Galant. So thanks guys.